What do you want now?
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for the Blackwater River above Franklin from this afternoon until further notice. At 8:45 a.m. Friday, the stage was 9.3 feet. Flood stage is 10.8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage late this afternoon to 12.2 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall to 10.8 feet and begin rising again Monday evening. It will rise to 11.0 feet early Wednesday morning. It will then fall again but remain